So now we're going to go in and take a look at the Insurance Follow-Up Center. So all I have to do is go up to the icon bar and I click on the Insurance Follow-Up Center icon. Up pops the Insurance Follow-Up Center. So in this particular case, we're going to say we want to call and check on all the carriers that have patients that owe us money basically for at least 60 days. So I've selected that, and now we get a list, and here it shows all of the insurance companies. Now, we also include cash in here because that's for cash patients, and you'll be able to see who's really behind on your cash patients as well. We could say, all right, let's call Medicare first. There is a phone number over here on the right. You can see that over there. And I click on Load the Patients, and here are the list of all the patients under Medicare that have balances over 60 days old. It shows their insurance ID number and their birth date and so on to make this very simple to deal with the insurance company. So we call the insurance company. Maybe we're going to start here with Fred Kane. If I click on him, you'll see up above there's now a tab that has his name on it. And if I click on that, it will show a list of all the outstanding services. It shows this amount that's been charged, what we figured the carrier owed, what the carrier has paid, what the bill date was, when that part was paid, and we have all that data right here. We also have a column for billing, and if you check this box, let's say you call them and they say rebill that data service and rebill that data service. Well, as soon as I press save, they are already in billing and ready to be sent. So as you can see, doing a manual rebill while calling out and handling the insurance is very, very, very simple. Down at the bottom are places for you to keep notes. So by hitting the plus up above, it allows you to type in anything you want down here in this area. It also allows you to put in a follow-up date. A lot of times they'll tell you, well, give me a call back or resubmit and give me a call back in 2 weeks. So you put that in here, and then this will show up inside the message center to remind you to give them a call back. The follow-up center really replaces the old style way of going through aging reports and so on and keeping log books and which took a lot more time. And one of the problems with that, of course, is you would call State Farm and you'd be on hold and you press 7 and 2 and 3 and 9 and whatever they'd have you press. 20 minutes later, you might talk to somebody about a patient. Then you hang up. Next person after that is Farmers, and you go through the whole thing again. And then sure enough, the patient after that is State Farm again, so you're back on hold. With the Insurance Follow-Up Center, that can't happen. It's a very simple, automated way to get the job done.